Nah, he wins these. Oh, go on!
Chill was playing the other day and Saigon reckoned his game was bugging and was like, I can't stand up! I can't stand up! He's like, it won't let me uncrouch. I'm like, oh, the game's fucked. And then later he's like, yeah, just pressing space and it won't stand up. Like, yeah, space isn't stand up. And he's like, what? Well, you've got smoke, Saigon, you ain't you spaz.
How long should smoke? Has she got
There he goes. I've got a claymore.
She didn't get smokes, Buck's fucking grenades. No, shut up.
She had smokes to begin with and they've taken them
Ah,
over.
fuck, I'm dead! The spawn's
Ah.
I even checked it.
What?
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 Where was that from? Oh, Jill nearly died as well.
Oh,
Well, Ash is on the stairs.
There's a hole above the stairs as well.
Mate, so much for this inner plant. These guys are shit. They just outsmarted us. Are they both on site? Do we know?
Oh yeah, she's by that shield. I drew around it.
I just headshotted her. What the fuck?
Friendly last
She's
operator
full health
standing.
still.
Bomb
Balcony
has
the other
been
side,
didn't I?
Saigon. Yeah, about where you're looking. To your right, to your right.
I don't know what I was
Mate,
hearing.
that's the guy that was
yeah.
on our team last time. He just wrecked us all.
How he's not that good.
No
He's
shit!
Yeah.
Look at him, he's awful.
Oh.
Feels bad.
I should have tried to fall.
Can you stick that? You can. That's not him. That's not him. Yes.
That's
You can use his
Last
Sophia stuff
doorway.
as well.
Oh, it's too.
Oh.
Safety car. Keep going.
In.
God, I
Fuck!
There was a frost in the rotation, but besides that, like,
No plan
Yeah, the frost,
execute.
there's a frost trap.
Kinda clear.
Ying, ying, frost trap.
Although
Frost trap.
I can't see it, I can't see
yeah,
it, I
Frost
can't
trap.
see
Ying. Frost trap. Ying.
Yep. Yeah.
I think I got it.
I'm watching Gary.
No, go, plan.
I'm not even there. I'm
I
coming. I'm
can't
coming.
see. You've used the utility too quickly.
Yeah. What the fuck? I don't even know.
Plan.
I'm going.
Plan.
There's a guy here. I'm planting. There's a guy inside there with me.
Plan. No, frost in your sight. Frost in your sight. Plan.
Spoon, you know that.
There you go.
I'm just trying to.
Jesus.
There we go. I was trying to get that.
Mute. No.
Loose.
10 seconds remaining.
Chill.
In position.
Oh,
5 seconds.
I was shooting the hole in the wall.
yeah, no, that's my bad. I just turned around and ran.
I was one in the fucking top of the stairs. Got it. Another one stairs. Oh shit, he's right on me. He's lying, he's literally
Stairs
stood
down.
lying.
C4
He's
being.
down the other side of the shield.
Okay.
I can't finish him though. Just.
Yeah.
Op 4 last stop standing.
Oh yeah,
Friendly
they
last
don't.
operator
No.
Stay alive,
Stay
stay
safe.
alive.
Playtime.
5 seconds to go.
She wasn't a door.
You
Oh,
see me,
planted.
you see me.
I know.
Nice.
Op 4
Well done,
eliminated.
bro.
Mission successful.
Fast trap.
What was that? This guy? What was this called?
I don't know.
They're
It's so
behind. Like
confusing.
who? Behind what?
Yeah.
He was trying.
He said behind.
trying this-
I was looking at Gary's door, and he's like, they're both behind. They're not that way. I've got a cam in garage. So I'll tell you. They're coming.
Right, okay. That was V confusing, wasn't it, Chill?
Very-
Not at all. Not at all. Two in there, Jill.
Oh, I got a smoke in, but I don't know if it did any good. Diffuser, nice.
Nice. Lion was in stock. I think it might have got it.
Planting.
Fuck, really?
Yeah.
It's in
Bomb
stock.
diffuser in place.
Did one drop hatch?
Just saw it.
Diffuser located. Disable it. 1 op 4 remaining.
Yeah, hatch. She dropped, I'm sure of it.
You can't really see the bomb from there.
Nah.
I have no idea.
I'd see if you can find somewhere to stick it. Yeah.
Just hung on it. Can't get it.
Fuck.
Your
I
long
think she
arm.
can, I think she can. Yeah, she can get it,
Is
she
she
can
there?
get it, she can get it. No way.
Come on!
No! Oh, come on!
Friendly.
Oh shit, yeah, I forget that this site. I was thinking, oh, I'm blind, thanks, Saigon. Such a
What?
pleb.
What do we know about sight? We're going down and going now.
Saigon, you flew.
That flash was outside, Simon.
Yep. Deal with it.
B's clear. Oh, my drone's gone.
B's clear. B's clear.
I'm going into plant. Someone keep me
They
alive.
got a rotation or no?
Yep. Smoking it.
I'm going to plant their side because it's reinforced
Okay.
one. I'm getting shot. I'm
Yeah,
down.
not bad. You're down.
Got cab.
Where am I dead from?
Oh, smoke.
Oh,
I
yeah.
fell off.
Oh, he's in the
I
he's
just
in the
got
office
shot
with
through the
me.
wall.
In
What
office.
the fuck?
Yeah,
I fell
office. Smoke. Office.
We'll drop the diffuser.
Dead.
Down.
Boys.
Where was it?
Hey.
And we didn't even get the plant down in all that.
No.
Oh god.
Operator stand.
What do you mean? Where's the drone down here? I'm finding it. If it's the last thing I do.
Gets killed.
Oh, I reinforced myself in.
Nah, they can't spot us here. What are you talking about? Oh, the guy at the bottom of the main stairs. Oh god, I'm atrocious. IQ, main stairs. Yeah, sounds like kitchen. Yeah, kitchen. Get him, Joe, get him!
Oh no.
Oh, he's fucking.
She ran away. That should have been my skill. Oh, it was my ace.
Eliminated.
Was
Oh.
it? You
Yeah,
threw it
I'm
away
10,
with
now
that
I'm
shotgun.
14.
Did he
No.
ace?
Oh my gosh. I nearly had. If I had my pistol out.
Yeah, that shotgun fucked you there.
Talk about 191. I'm going to be talking 911 because you're fucking AFK. Get here! Do you want to upvote my Reddit post?
He's such a spaz.
Now we're going in joke to out joke to like out joke back in again. I mean, what are you going to do?
Well, this went to
Oh,
shit,
he
didn't it?
jumped out. Fuses.
One
Dumb
friendly
shit.
operator remaining.
Silences are a bit
Oh.
fucking limp, aren't they?
It's in the window. Yeah, it's tight right in the window, I think. Nice.
4 last.
Oh, there we go! No, it's good, yeah.
North.
No, I was just getting behind cover. Vigil.
Oh, not Vigil again.
He's in the middle of picking armor up. What
we
do
need
you
to start banning
mean?
him. We need to start banning him.
What
There's
do
a
you
new
mean?
dog.
That's what one of the round, a guy picking armor up in the middle of the fucking hallway while everyone's dead. A 1v1.
Jesus
That was a hard
Christ.
troll right there.
They got a Vigil.
Yeah,
They got a Dark. It's over.
Can we
two
go
in
for the
little-
cheeky, can we go for the cheeky plant here? I'm
Yeah,
going
there's
for
two
the-
in little tower.
Yeah, I'm
and
going for the
Fuse is
fucking plant. Right, I'm gonna.
Wait, hold on, I've got a fuser.
Oh fuck, you've got a diffuser.
Come on, come on, come on,
Yeah,
come
but
on.
watch out, they're in little tower.
Ah, go for it.
I'm smoking behind you. Smoking in front of you. Oh, someone's out. Where's that? Fucking hell.
Bomb diffusion.
Nice.
Got it.
Protect the diffuser.
Right, the other two were this side, I think.
I'm looking at this doorway.
I'll be the second.
Yeah, we're behind.
Kitchen, kitchen.
1 op 4 remaining.
No, I'm down from who? Doc is on me. Wow, I don't even see him when he's shooting me.
Got him.
What? Fucking hell.
Oh, not again. Why are you so toxic these days?
What is going on? What is going on?
Don't team kill them just because they impact something.
He impacts the whole wall. I'm here, I'm studying, trying to put a thing. He throws them at me and destroys the wall.
He's gonna
Go
Jenga turret
fuck
kill
yourself.
you.
Go fuck yourself.
He's shooting me! Fucking shooting me for!
Why?
Look what you started, Psycho!
1 friendly remaining.
Get booted.
Oh. Nice.
No, I think they've legged it back out of there. Garage. Oh, nice job.
It's main stairs, it's shield.
Tiny
Nice.
dead.
Another guy.
1 op
Backstairs
4
dead.
remaining.
Okay,
Oh. She's full health. IQ.
I see her. So,
Touched her.
how did I not kill her then? What the fuck?
She in laundry or she gone out?
I can hear her above. She's gone over. She's gone over. I'm gonna spook a bit. Just to back her up. Nice!
Nice.
Op 4 eliminated.
They're flaming. Fucking.
Yeah, it's fine. They're not in now.
They're in.
How did that C4 not get him?
Op 4 located.
There, he's
Yeah.
in, he's in, he's in.
Yeah, he's in.
Oh!
Potato dead.
Cali dead.
Another one dead.
Oh, one master bed, master bed.
He's gone.
Ah, master bed's stunning me. I'm a bit fucked.
Yep.
No, he got me. Master bed's a fear on
Yeah,
me.
so-
Remaining.
She was in where Toph was. Nice.
One op 4 remaining.
Sophia, she's
Time
lit.
to reload. 1v1.
Yeah, reload.
Reload your main.
Reload.
No!
No, don't go out, don't go out. Stealth.
Spotted.
Wait for him to repel. They're coming, Jill. You aim over there, okay? I'm moving to the right. Okay, you got him. Cool. Good in it! Oh, you've got cocky, Jill. You've got cocky. Where from?
Left, right. I didn't hear him repel at all.
Got him.
Nice.
Diffuser? No, I didn't
Yeah,
hear
I didn't hear him repel
No,
up
I
there.
didn't. I've just heard another one though. Oh no! It was his head! Fuck!
I just saw that as I
Oh,
clicked.
fuck! It's a little green head.
Yeah, but I was saying you can get to the bottom though.
Yeah, but it's like I'm saying
No,
you can repel all the way
shit,
down.
shit.
Right.
Okay, execute. I throw the smoke, execute.
I shot a Capcan chap in that smoke.
We're good, we're golden.
See, oh! I nearly ran into that! Fucking hell!
I missed a bit at the bottom. I heard it break. But it didn't go soft.
Have we got anyone to even blow it after you make it soft?
I shotgun it.
No, but I think that's the end of that chapter.
What do you mean that's the end of that chapter? You've used them all?
Wait, why is he shooting through it?
Yeah, Mavericks, nobody.
What are you doing, Jill?
And the
Thanks.
one at the bottom, I didn't do it properly, so I can't rappel back down to get it.
I just missed a guy's head because I was too busy laughing at you.
I don't think getting this. It's a bit shit.
Bomb.
There's two of them here. On the site.
Oh, we fucked it, boys.
I'm gonna have to make a play. I'm gonna drop the
I think we're all gonna have to make a fucking play here.
Yep,
Diffuser
have
is no
that.
longer in your possession.
Wait. Have a smoke as well.
Have a grenade as well. No, the grenade bounced off! Run away! No! Down to
No!
This has got all kinds of wrong.
Why did you take this to Claymore, Joe? You're no good with grenades.
But the
That
grenade.
was my
I got the
grenade.
kill.
It was my grenade. I fucked us.
Oh. No, you killed me.
Yeah, I killed everyone.
The diffuser is now secured. One op 4
Oh,
win!
there it is. There it is.
Oh, I see a guy. I'm gonna nade him.
You probably get ADS commands too.
Friendly fire.
That was me. Felt that.
Making a play.
Smoked where Jaeger was.
Oh god, this fucking kicked off, innit? Naded. I don't know what's going on. I don't know. It got a goo mine, right? Stop. What did
Oh, fuck, green.
what did kill my twin in the womb just say?
Green stairs. I'm watching.
Yeah,
the
plant,
door.
drop plant, drop plant, drop
Planning,
plant, drop
planning,
plant.
planning. Oh, I'm all smoked.
Just watching green stairs on top.
Don't hit me, don't hit me.
Vigil. Vigil's the other side.
I don't know, I can see it. There's one model.
Yep.
Model dead.
Ah, the other door.
Yep.
Woof!
Oh no, you got him.
Four
Oh, what?
eliminated.
I was just gonna help up top.
Okay, I mean, you can do that if you want.
Yeah, and just thought the sound of a shield rattling through might scare him off.
Is that what it's come to?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The sound of a shield has been our strap, boys.
You're telling me you don't hear a shield come in and go, fuck that.
Right, here's Shield and go, well, we know where one of them is.
Normally, I'd hear a shield and I was dead. So
Yeah, I don't even hear
he
him.
push sight and kill me, not just rattle around.
I mean, close.
Still just running back and forth on the
Just
spot.
rattle around,
Let's look at
boys.
them, boys.
5 seconds before.
I'll get him.
I hear Blitz
I heard
rattling.
Blitz rattling. Jill was right.
You're gonna get droned at your bathroom door side.
I've just been drone too.
Oh, next one saved you. Come down main stairs. Oh,
Yeah,
coming down
right.
main stairs. On pink.
Who is it? Is it Blocks?
Capitan. Capitan.
Okay. Wow, these guys are going heavy execute right now.
He's still on those stairs.
Okay, so I can watch out main stairs. Fuck, where's that fuse?
No, my God, friend.
To your right, Toke, as well.
Yeah, I know, but... Oh, fuck off, Blitz.
That's fuse shield.
Dead. Oh, Ash is gonna... Yeah! I was just scared of the Ash fast peeking me. Oh, fuck, I'm looking at Whammy! Whammy, get... No.
Ash is the door to the right.
Successfully deployed.
Ash was...
Yeah.
Hard scoping little trap.
Whoa, Whammy!
Oh,
Fuck off!
Look.
Friendlies
fat ass
Why is
sticking
my
out.
fat ass stuck out? God, yeah, all of me.
Fat everything.
No, it's alright. It was just the bottom bit, you have to jump into it, but it's alright.
Oh, bloody hell. I don't like to jump, this kid.
Nah, I don't like to jump, I'm a midget.
I don't think those two things are related.
A little bit racist.
A little bit
Not
midgets.
racist. I'm so bad he's on the stairs.
I killed him, my midget friend.
Cheers, my midget.
I'm crouch walking because midget life.
Wait, which balcony were you on about?
Op 4, last stop standing.
Stay safe.
Oh!
my god!
Time limit has been
Yeah!
What the fuck have I just watched?
Just watched a midget crushing it.
Boy, classic, mate.
There's one pushing me in aqua.
Okay, I've got luggage side.
Get him? Nice. One in aqua, yeah?
Look like a banner, yeah.
Yeah, 2, VIP Hall of Fame. Well, you said.
Oh shit, I nearly wonked that. That was Zofia dead near you, Jill.
Oh, there's another one. Lion.
Got another one,
Same
where?
place.
Where?
Same place you got her.
All of them.
No, it's not where I got her, because that's right next to me.
Oh, I thought you said you got the one near me.
I got one, look at my
Okay.
screen, I got one right here. That was so behind you.
Oh, shit.
enemy drone
My bad.
incoming. Starting the
That
clock.
lion. Yeah, out there.
Hall of
Is
Fame
it
or...
VIP?
Got him.
Yeah. Oh, I'm looking at classic.
Fucking
Sorry.
idiot.
This is what, pool entrance? JK. Oh my god, they'll never suspect I'm in here.
They're coming, Saigon.
No!
Got him.
Op 4 has located
Stress is
a
a pilot
bomb.
and it
You
threw
know
me
what to
off.
do.
What sort of excuse is that?
That's the only one I've
It's make
got.
you a halto.
No, I made one, I got impacts, mate.
Tannis, I don't know who to be.
I
Who do I be?
Glass.
Wait. No, really?
Yeah.
Oh boy. I
I want some
guys.
entertainment after I die, you know? I want to spectate.
Not happy about it.
It's like the worst.
Need to use your drone to locate a bomb.
Jokes. Why is this van floating? What the fuck is this? Why are the wheels not on the floor? Stupid game.
This is fucking silly. Why are we doing this to us?
Yeah, I thought I did.
Yeah, Jill, it's a bit of pressure.
Oh, there's a guy there, fuck.
Yeah, I think there's one down here still. Oh, he's on the hatch. Get out, nice, Jill. Right, execute, go.
What? What do you mean?
Run
I'm watching
straight
Hall of
ahead.
Fame.
Run straight ahead and plant. Yep.
Yeah, I'm watching Hall of Fame.
Planning.
Might be one VIP.
They're droning me, I think.
Yeah, I'm watching VIP, so.
User is online.
VIP Hall of Fame.
It's a bad drone. Oh, there's a guy now! It's on!
Oh, no, he's
there's a
there,
guy
I
there
can't see him. So, oh, you stood in front of me.
What? I don't know what it stood in front of.
Op 4 last stop.
That's the last one.
He's outside.
What?
What makes this?
Do I repel? I'm gonna repel.
No.
Yeah.
Yeah. He might
Yeah.
roll out the window.
Yeah, he probably hadn't heard you out there at this point.
Nice.
No way he wins that. Incredible.
Clutches.
I think that was because of the silencer. I don't think the other guy knew where the bullets came from. Because that Jaeger.
No,
just-
Jaeger just ran
Yeah,
into the bathroom. Yeah.
We were pushing where I died.
Where did you
Oh
die?
shit! Sorry. In games. He's on drone.
The main lobby.
Setting down my +1.
Fuck! I'm shit. I'm actually shit. Yeah.
Spotted.
No!
Enemy drone is moving into position for scan. Op 4 has located a
No,
bomb.
Jill! Why'd you leave? I thought you were fucking helping me. Oh, it's not you.
I got spotted.
It's not you.
me.
No, I thought you were. Thingy. I wonder why you didn't complain when I shot you.
Look at this.
Thermite's in halfway. Pushing you.
Back out. He's on tag there, mate. Stand in the doorway. Stood up. Stood up.
One op 4
Right, last one on
remaining.
tag. Last one on tag. Stood up. Peeking. 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 Back in. He's done. Yeah, nice.
Friendly's victorious.
Did you ace it,
Hostiles
Saigon?
eliminated.
4.
Beast. Oof.
There's such a line of
Yeah,
sight.
there's one in
isn't
sight. Got Mavo. Oh, sorry, classic.
there? What? Jesus.
I just flicked on you. I'm sorry.
I don't know what's going on.
There's
I'll
a
be
Tanny in
honest.
sight.
Oh, right, so I'll zap him. 1 second, I'll zap him.
Oh, I got
He's
shot
not-
from
he's
garage
not- He's not in
doors.
sight. He's not in sight. No one's in sight. No one's in sight. Do you know what? I don't think they can get
Ah,
through that.
shit. He must have just pushed
Enemy
up to it
scan
then.
incoming. Starting the clock.
Just stay on my cam, yeah? That's looking at
Your
Tanny
mouse,
outside.
Chow.
Yeah.
Yeah, Tanny's in. Tanny's in the
Blue,
both in.
blue,
One's
blue,
planting
blue,
green bins. Planting green. No, he's not planting. He's not. Both at green bins. He's planting. Planting. Jump through. Bitch. Jump. Bitch. Get the Tanny. Push, push, push. push. Oh,
Blue.
it's just the Tanny.
No, it's not. It's not.
Just
It's not. There's two left. There's two.
Oh, there's blue. Oh, sorry.
Enemy drone is moving into position for scan.
Oh!
Tanny's dead. Tanny's not dead.
Is that Rambo?
Oh my god.
Oh,
But yeah, we had the
pushing.
counter to fucking.
yeah, shit. Nice.
One op 4 remaining.
Oh shit! This is.
Blue.
It's not blue.
Nice.
Thank you. Oh my god, I
Mate,
can't
I
believe I'm-
fucking crushed that round.
Jesus.
I can't
Jeez.
talk tonight.
I
should
got the
not
most
talk tonight. I did-
wonky fucking shots.
I did. The question mark's bright fucking orange and I still didn't realise.
Mate, what? When the guy was planting, I fucking hip fire headshotted him by accident.